an underpower video demonstration of an LVD Strippit. It's a Strippit model S-1212, 20 tons, 31 stations. Turret punch.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Right. Most, yeah, I mean, that's obviously.
Actually do some work here.
Ready?
Ready. I'm going to do a walk around. Take a look at the control. The GE Fanuc Series 180 IP. This was in a test lab. Turret. Underpower video demonstration of a Strippit model S-1212 LVD Strippit turret punch, 20 tons, repositioning, 31 station turret, maybe 500 hours on it. It's a lab model.